You know, me don't want to soak up everything when me there. So I go, every day I go a roll call. See? One of the day me up there, and I remember singing a Sizzla song. And one of the priests them said to me, yo, you know, say, that not sing up your door. Say, nah man, him say, up here so. A straight Bible and hymn book. No reggae, you know, reggae devil music. Straight Bible and hymn, the man them say. See? But one amazing thing, the man them tell me about Sizzla Kalonji differently. The man them tell me say, you see Miguel Collins, is a boy who will fill up him van of food, drive it up on the hill, and pick up the broom and sweep up all the yard. Ever since that day, respect for Sizzla Kalonji sky high. Tall. See, me did rate him already because I'm music, you know, but this when the man them tell me say, oh, he will come up and take up the broom and go sweep up all the yard. Yeah man, respect for him different from them time there. So big up Sizzla Kalonji anyway there right now, straight. Respect still. Hail Emmanuel I Selassie I Jah Rastafari. Priest Emmanuel. Respect all.